Smile. Well, boys, where did we just come back from?
Alabama.
What did we go to Alabama for?
A special part for the backhoe. It's called the bucket.
Well, let's take a look. I've been needing a larger backhoe bucket, and we got online and started hunting around, and they were between $400 and $800 for a bigger bucket. And ours is how big, boys?
Ours is an 8-inch. 8-inch.
Probably a 10 or a 12-inch.
Yeah.
And so we found this 18-inch for how much?
Like $50.
$50. So we called the guy and told him we'd come down. It was about a 2.5-hour drive. So I get down there, and the guy and his son are out there. So what are you gonna, we can pick it up with a backhoe, but what are you gonna load it in? Well, we're gonna put it in the back of the van. I said, what? And he said, how are you gonna get it in there? I said, well, we'll pick it up and get it in there. And he said, I don't think it'll haul it. So yeah, it'll haul it. We'd pump the air up on the tires on the back just a little bit extra, and got a little more hauling capacity. So it did really good. It's actually it's a little bit heavy, but we made it.
A little bit? It's like 250 pounds.
It's a John Deere, I think, is what it came off of, and ours was a Massey Ferguson. So it's going to take a little fabricating to get the pins to work out right or whatnot. It's missing 2 of the teeth off of there, but cutting edge is really good shape. I think for $50, can't really go wrong. You boys excited?
Yeah.
We can dig about almost twice as much dirt now, can't we? In each scoop.
Our little backhoe's doing a good job too, though.
Yeah.
Maybe we should get that one for like $800.
That'll make a big difference, but the boys are trying out the new backhoe bucket. Just about the right size for you, isn't it, Caleb?
Almost perfect.
So we got it home, and we had a short math lesson. Tell me what you learned about your math, Jordan, on the way home. How do we figure out if a backhoe bucket's worth buying?
Because normal backhoe bucket's like $400 to $600, and this one is $50, and we paid $40 in gas money, $15 in Taco Bell, and $50 on this backhoe bucket. So we only spent $105 out of like $600.
Right. And then we got how much time?
Like 6 hours, 6 or 7.
Yeah, about 6 or 7 hours. So $20 an hour. How much is that?
About 120.
So we got less than $250 in a. If we consider our time and everything, we got less than $250 in a $400 to $800 bucket, right?
Yep.
Cool. So is that a pretty good deal?
Yeah, that's at least what I think.
All right. And then the added advantage that we got to, Dad got to ride together with you guys. We got to spend 6 or 7 hours together.
Listen to some Jim's Hamburger.
Yeah, we listened to a good sermon. And what'd you and Hayden do on the way back?
We studied wood gas. Yeah, wood gas.
We watched a bunch of YouTube videos, about an hour and a half of wood gas generators, huh?
Yep.
Y'all are about prepared now to start building some, aren't you?
Yep. Yep.
Cool.
We love boxer. We're boxer people.
All right, let's
except for the part where they
go ahead and get this unloaded. And
can I stay in it?
No. See what we can do to get it out of here. We don't want to leave. Dad's got to go to work tomorrow. We don't want to leave the bucket in the van while Mom's riding around driving. And that's kind of a little bit of a load. All right, Hayden.
Yes.
Come here.
Oh, can I show you YouTube? Oh, yep. Here I am.
How heavy is that thing?
Here's Charlie here.
Yeah, you can turn white.
Oh, yep, no problem.
Alright.
Bum ba bum
Tip.
bum ba bum
Move your hand.
bum bum ba bum bum ba bum
Let's just
bum ba
roll it
bum.
This thing is heavy.
Beast. Alright.
Bum,
Come back.
bum, 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 bum,
You don't have to worry about breaking it, hopefully.
Pretty good shaped bucket. Got a few dents and dings, doesn't it?
Yes, maybe one or two dents.
Had some welding and a little reinforcement right there, but is that a crack? Yeah, it's a crack, but it's been repaired over. What's inside, boy?
It's got a little bit of rust.
A lot of rust. I think it'll be usable. Let's lay it over on the side so it doesn't smash your
Girls are gonna play hide and seek in it.
Actually, might work.
Oh, yeah.
If I get stuck in it.
So that's our adventures for the day. I'm gonna
Which one did Dad get?
get in the house and
Yours?
get ready for bed. Have a good day and like our videos and subscribe.